Hey guys, welcome to Infinite Tripping. This is Shaunak. Today we're going to look at how to edit absolutely crappy and shaky camera footages taken by a cell phone and convert it into something really smooth and cinematic. So we'll look at the shaky footage first, then we'll look at the editing process, and then we'll jump into the cinematic footage. Hope you guys enjoy this video and watch it till the end. So guys, this is my Premiere Pro software. I've already edited the video. I'll go through the steps that I use to convert the shaky footages to something absolutely stable and cinematic. This is my project folder with all the videos, including the copyright-free audio that I've downloaded to suit this kind of a video. First, I would arrange all my footages in the most appropriate order and make sure that the order is pleasing to your eyes so that when you move from one video to another, it looks fine to you. Once you have done that, we are going to go and warp stabilize all the videos. To do that, what you have to do is you have to go to FX and type warp over here. Once you have done that, you go to warp stabilizer, drag it and put it onto your video. I'm not going to do that now because I've already done that to all my videos. Once you do that, you can see the screen over here. It will show you the progress of warp stabilization, and it'll take some time, so be a bit patient and you should be able to do it. So one small catch, if you have reduced the speed of a video, let's say you have done a right click, you have gone to speed duration and reduced the speed of a video to, let's say, 75%. In that case, you won't be able to warp stabilize a video, but thankfully we have a workaround for that. We can right click and nest the video. Once you nest the video, say OK, and it'll turn into a nested sequence. Once you do that, you should be able to warp stabilize the video. So once you are done that, you should have some smooth videos and you should be happy with that. The next step would be adding the transitions. You can see I've got transition between the videos over here. The transitions that I've used are the ones that were downloaded by me, and actually they were paid transitions. You don't need paid transitions. You obviously can use transitions from the internet, which are free of cost. I use the zoom in and zoom out effect, which is a paid transition from NM Alamin, which you can find on YouTube. So once I've done the transition between the videos, I move to the next step, which is adding the LUT. Yes, that is very important. You go to lumetri color, you go to basic correction, you do your let's say contrast, add the contrast, add some saturation, and then you go to creative and then add your LUT. Yeah, this is important. I used something called 5 brown. Again, this is available on the internet. I found it from YouTube. You can use your LUTs from the internet. You can just search on the Google and find the appropriate LUT for your video. After you have applied the LUT, the next step would be the music. Yes, you drag the music that you have used, the copyright-free music, and put it into your timeline. And I think at the end of the music, you can add in the fade effect. So this is available in FX, and then go to audio transitions, and then you have crossfade, and then you have exponential fade. So you can drag and put it over here. So that's the exponential fade effect. So the music would end exponentially at the end. So that is the music. And finally, we have the crop effect on the top of the video. You can see I have added an adjustment layer over here. To add this crop effect, you have to create an adjustment layer from here. This is the option. The adjustment layer is going to come down on your project folder. You drag it and put it on top of a video, and then make it go over the entire video. Once you do that, you can search for the crop effect over here. You can find it and you drag and put it onto your adjustment layer. Once you do that, you can just change the dimensions over here. I've changed it to 7.5, and for top and bottom, you can make it to whatever dimensions you want for this video. And one small trick over here, you can add keyframes. If you can do that, then this transition is going to come gradually rather than coming right away. So those are the steps, guys. With that, you can convert your crappy and shaky footage into something cinematic and stable. Obviously, you can improvise and make it even better than that, but this is what it looks after this editing.